Hi, my love. Good evening. It's your baby girl, Fave. If you don't know, hi, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor, a makeup artist and entrepreneur living in Oka, Anambra State. And you guys, in today's video, don't mind my hair. I just got back from work. From there, I went to pay my way bill and also some tests that I ran because I've not been feeling too strong. Then for my package that I picked, we got a microphone. I got a new mic, Let's just be celebrating our little win till we get there to the big one. So I got myself a mic. To kind of enhance my videos. We are getting there little by little. We'll just be progressing, okay? So let's unbox this mic together, okay? So you guys, I don't know how I'll be making use of my hand to unbox this, so I guess I would loosen up the wrap, then by myself I'll loosen it up, then when it gets to the carton where I can open with my both hands, then I'll show you guys, okay? Let me just loosen up this because I can't be holding my phone and unraveling the package, okay? Fragile. I love the way they just sealed the whole thing. Wow. Are you kidding me? You guys, this thing is really sealed. Really. Let me get a knife. I got a scissors instead. Let me make use of scissors, so to be less of the stress. This is hard. Why is, oh my god, like, this is very hard. Are you kidding me? Yay! Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, here's our mic. I got this from Eliza store on Instagram. Eliza or something. Eliza, yeah. I guess her name is Elizabeth, so she shortened it to Eliza stores on Instagram. So I was kind of skeptical when I was ordering it, but I just said let me give it a try, and they delivered ASAP. Like, I did this, okay, I did it last week, yes, and I'm getting it today. Though she told me I was supposed to get it under 3 working days, but according to her there was so much orders because she had sales, so there was so much orders, so she couldn't send out the orders that week. So I told her that I didn't see my order. She told me to expect it this week. I spoke to her yesterday night, and they called me today that I should come and pick my order. And here is our brand new mic. It's gonna be late. It's gonna be late. It's about to be late. I tell you, I kid you not, it's about to be late. Prepare to be sick of me. You guys don't mind me. Let's just move over to the unboxing of the mic. Oh, this is so lovely. Like, I don't even feel like unwrapping it or unraveling it. I don't know if you guys can see it. This K8 wireless microphone for live show, interview, vlog, short videos. Yeah, plug and play. 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, widely compatible. Wow. So let's unbox it. So I'll have to turn my camera to the back view for me to unwrap this. I guess I will try doing it with one hand and see if it's going to work. Okay, you guys, let's unbox together. Don't mind me, I just kept you guys where you'll be able to see. So let's go. Yay! Oh, this is nice. I don't know if you can see. This is my mic. So lovely. So it has you guys, it has this, I guess. Let me just do it this way. Oh, are you sure I can do this with one hand? Okay. So it has this. I don't know what this is. I guess this is some kind of, okay, I know what it is. Yeah, I know. And this is the mic itself in its glory. Oh, sorry. This is my mic. Nice. This is the mic. What else? Okay. This, if you have iPhone, I guess. Yeah. If you have iPhone, then this is for it. This should be the charger, I guess. Okay. This should be the charger. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is the charger. Wait, you guys, I don't think this thing, I don't think this is a USB. I don't think. Oh God. It's just. This is another type of, this is not a normal USB. I don't know the type of USB that this is, but this is definitely not the type of my own. I feel like crying, you guys. I just feel like crying because I was hoping. Oh my God. But it's all good. Still get to where we get another phone and make use of it. This is the manual. This is the manual of it. That will be later. I'll go through the manual. You guys, I'm done with unboxing the microphone. I will have to head now to go and take my shower and eat my food, then watch some movies and sleep because I'm going to work tomorrow. So what else? Nothing else. So without no much I'll have to end this video right here. I just said let me take you guys along, show you our new would like call it our new milestone. So these little things are very dear to my heart. So I've even forgotten. What am I even saying? You guys don't mind me. So we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share my video, and always turn on your notification bell to get a notification of my new videos whenever I drop it. Okay, don't forget your baby girl. I love you guys. I love you from the innermost depth of my heart. Okay, bye. See you in my next video. Okay.